can I protect the way I am cooking a food, or can I protect the composition of my food? I will answer these questions in this video. First, I will talk about composition of food. Composition of food may not be patented in most of the cases because you are adding the known ingredients or the spices in various forms which enhances the taste of a given recipe. Correct? If it is just enhancing the taste, in that case, you will not be granted a patent application. So composition, first thing, if it is just enhancing the taste, it's not patentable. Second, if your food composition in a specific form is unknown as a traditional knowledge and has some medicinal effect, in that case, it can be considered for patenting. Otherwise, no. Okay. In India, Section 3D, 3E, and traditional knowledge prohibits patenting of the food. Okay, you can go through the definition in the description. You can read those definitions. Because of these three subsections of Section 3, your food composition is not patentable. So method of preparation will also not be patentable unless and until you are optimizing something. The method may not be patentable. The devices that you are creating to create or cook this food, that can be patented. For example, pizza making machine, yes, you can patent it. Okay. So nowadays, Pani-Puri making machines people are developing, so that can be patented. Roti making machines, yes, definitely you can patent. Okay. If there is a process, first step something is happening, second step something is happening, third step something is happening, which was not done earlier. You are not just automating the process, but you are using some instruments for automating the cooking process. The instrument definitely can be patented. If you're coming up with some new methodology with the instruments, then you can think about patent. Otherwise, composition of food is not patentable. Method with the instrument that you are using may be patentable sometimes. But if you're automating the food technology, if you're automating the food preparation completely, then yes, the machine that you're going to use for automation, definitely it can be patented. So if you have a question that I have a new composition, I'm creating something new, make sure that you don't file a patent application first thing, because you will be disclosing everything to your competitors. Because patent application, once it is filed, it will be published and everyone will come to know your ingredients, the secret ingredients, I can say. So don't file a patent application if it is a composition and if it does not have any therapeutic effect. If you're automating, if you're manufacturing some machine for preparing the food, yes, definitely go for it. So if you have any other question with respect to food technology, whether you can patent it or not patent it, write down in the comment section. I will answer all those queries. So there are various blogs that are written. Yes, food technology can be patented. Food process can be patented. Process means it should be aligned with the apparatus. It should be connected with the apparatus. The novelty of the apparatus along with the method can be picked, because anyways, cooking method remains the same. You are just using the apparatus, novel apparatus, to automate it. I hope this answers your question. If at all, still if you have any questions, write down in the comment box. I will respond to your questions. So keep inventing logically, keep investing your money properly so that you can earn tremendously. Thank you.